Hello, how are you doing today? First, let me introduce myself. My name is Serge, and I am part of the TRIO SSS program. Today's date is February 9th, 2022, and today workshop is on Focus 2. I will show you a short PowerPoint on Focus 2. If you have any further questions or would like to receive any additional information, please get in touch with either Ms. Dilks, Mrs. Kelly, or me. Once again, let me show you the PowerPoint presentation on Focus 2. Thank you.
TRIO SSS presents Focus 2 Workshop, February 9, 2020. Career Building Skills. Focus 2. What is Focus 2? How can it help you to be successful? How do you interpret the results? Resume writing. A snapshot of your academic and professional experience. A ticket to your interview. Focus 2 Career is an online career major and educational planning system. Focus 2 Experience. Guide users through a reliable, intuitive career and education decision-making model to help them choose a college, select a major, explore occupations, make informed career decisions, and take actions in their career development. How users benefit from Focus 2. Provide valid and reliable assessments including work interests, HOLLAND codes, personality, values, skills, leisure interest, and career readiness. Assessment results are matched to supporting majors and career options with over 1,000 occupations and up-to-date career information. Focus 2 system can be used on all devices. For additional information, please visit the Focus 2 website, www.focus2career.com. Self-assessment. Discover majors and occupations that match your personal attributes. Work interest assessment, personality assessment, values assessment, and skills assessment. Values. Intrinsic. Related to the work itself. Examples: nonprofit, social work, civil service, and education. Extrinsic. Related to favorable conditions the work features, such as earning potential, work setting, benefits, and prestige. Skills. A personal attribute, talent, or ability brought to an experience that was acquired through a job or some form of learning. Some skills are interpersonal, cultural competency, problem solving, leadership, social media, customer service, and networking. Interest HOLLAND codes. Realistic doers, investigative thinkers, artistic creators, social helpers, enterprising persuaders, and conventional organizers. HOLLAND codes. Realistic. A realistic person prefers concrete tasks. They like working alone or with other real people. Investigative. Someone who is investigative likes to use their abstract or analytical skills to figure things out. They are a thinker who strive to complete tasks and often prefer to do so independently. Artistic. Artistic people like to create things and are imaginative. Social. A social person prefers interacting with people. They tend to be concerned with social problems and want to help others. Enterprising. Those who are enterprising lean toward leadership roles. They are willing to take on challenges and are extroverted as well as aggressive. Conventional. Someone who is conventional prefers structured, task and tending to details and is often conservative. Holland codes are based on the belief that birds of a feather flock together. Individuals with similar personality types will find satisfaction in doing the same type of work. This is validated by the continuous dissemination of assessment every year to hundreds of participants. Simple work interest profile. Your top three interests make up your Holland code, such as social, investigative, enterprising. Exploring majors. Examine the supporting majors offered at this college. For example, the supporting majors programs at Bloomfield College are psychology, education, business administrative. Compare your interest profile to the interest profile for occupation. The graph below displays the typical interest for someone who is working in this occupation. Their profile is displayed in coral. Your interest profile is displayed in green. If the pattern is similar, this may be a good match. TRIO, Student Support Services. Want more information on Focus 2? Please feel free to contact TRIO SSS. Thank you.
And and it is over with the PowerPoint presentation. Once again, if you have any further questions or need any additional information, please get in touch with either Ms. Dilks, Mrs. Kelly, or me. Once again, thank you for your time. Bye bye.